Have you ever had a brilliant idea? Maybe for a new invention, a scientific theory, or even a story, only to see someone else get credit for it years later. It's a tale as old as time. History is filled with stories of stolen discoveries, ignored geniuses, and ideas that were wrongly attributed. Think about it. Our entire system for recognizing and rewarding intellectual work is based on human judgment, institutional prestige, and a whole lot of paperwork. In the age of the internet and artificial intelligence, this system is not just outdated, it's broken. The core problem is simple. Human-based systems are slow, biased, and can't keep up with the sheer volume of information being created every second. How can we be sure who really came up with an idea first? How can we tell the difference between genuine, independent discovery and subtle plagiarism? The truth is, we can't not reliably. This failure doesn't just hurt individual creators. It holds back all of humanity. It creates a world where your access to recognition depends more on your status, your institution, or your location than on the quality of your ideas. This is what we call epistemic injustice. But what if we could change that? What if we could build a system that was fair, transparent, and incorruptible? A system that could instantly recognize and protect the origin of every new idea, no matter who you are or where you live. This isn't science fiction. This is the promise of the AI-empowered Intellectual Justice Protocol, or AIIJP. So, what is AIIJP? Imagine a global AI-driven framework designed to do one thing: record, verify, and protect the origin of ideas. It's a new paradigm for intellectual ownership, one that uses technology to ensure fairness and transparency for everyone. It's built on the idea that AI can be a force for good, a tool for justice. Let's break down how it would work. AIIJP has 5 core components that work together like a high-tech immune system for our global knowledge base. First, there's the Global Timestamp Ledger, or GTL. Think of it as a universal, unchangeable digital notary. When you have an idea, you can submit it to the system. The GTL instantly creates a time-stamped record of your creation. This isn't just a simple date. It's a cryptographic proof that you created a specific concept at a specific moment in time. This ledger is decentralized and secure, meaning no single person or institution can alter it. Your claim is locked in forever. Next up is the Semantic Novelty Engine, or SNE. This is where the real magic happens. The SNE is an advanced AI that understands the meaning behind words and ideas. When you submit your concept, the SNE scans a massive global database of existing knowledge, scientific papers, patents, articles, books, everything. It doesn't just look for matching keywords. It analyzes the semantic structure of your idea to determine how new it really is. It gives your idea an originality score, telling you and the world just how groundbreaking your contribution is. This helps distinguish truly novel ideas from incremental improvements. The third component is Idea Lineage Mapping, or ILM. No idea is born in a vacuum. Every new thought builds upon older ones. The ILM is like a family tree for ideas. It uses AI to trace the semantic ancestry of your concept, showing how it connects to, evolves from, or challenges previous work. This creates a beautiful, visible map of human knowledge, allowing us to see exactly how progress happens. It gives credit where credit is due, not just to the final inventor, but to all the thinkers who paved the way. Then we have the Authorship Integrity Shield, or EYES. This is the protector, the guardian. The EYES continuously monitors global publications, preprint servers, and other platforms. If it detects a new work that is suspiciously similar to an idea already logged in the GTL, it flags it. It can tell the difference between legitimate parallel thinking and potential plagiarism. This shield doesn't just protect the original author. It maintains the integrity of our entire intellectual ecosystem. It ensures that credit goes to the true originators. Finally, there's the Global Access Protocol, or GAP. All of this incredible technology would be useless if it wasn't accessible to everyone. The GAP ensures that any innovator, anywhere in the world, can use AI. Whether you're a student in a small village or a professor at a top university. You have the same power to protect your intellectual property. It breaks down the barriers of geography, language, and institutional affiliation. It democratizes the very act of creation. Now, this might sound ambitious, and it is, but it is built on a philosophical foundation that is becoming more important every day. Transhumanist ethics. Specifically, it aligns with three key pillars. The first is cognitive equity, the belief that every mind has the right to contribute to our collective knowledge and be recognized for it. The second is intellectual transparency, making the process of discovery and validation open for everyone to see. And the third is AI augmented justice, using artificial intelligence not to replace human judgment, but to enhance it, making it faster, fairer, and free from bias. How would we actually build this? We don't have to start from scratch. We can build it in layers. The first layer, the proto-layer, would integrate existing platforms we already use, like the research repository Zenodo or the author identifier system, ORCID. We can connect these existing infrastructures to form a base. The second layer is the AI verification layer. This is where the semantic novelty engine and the other AI components come into play, analyzing and verifying the data from the first layer. The third and final layer is the global ledger layer, the secure, decentralized time-stamping system that locks in the findings of the AI. The social impact of a system like this would be profound. It would fundamentally change the landscape of science and innovation. Imagine a world where a young researcher in a developing country can have their breakthrough idea protected and recognized instantly, without needing the backing of a powerful institution. Imagine a world where idea theft and academic plagiarism become virtually impossible. This would unleash a wave of creativity and progress unlike anything we've ever seen. It would empower independent thinkers and level the playing field, allowing the best ideas to rise to the top, regardless of their source. The AI-empowered intellectual justice protocol isn't just a technical proposal. It's a moral impact. Our current human systems have proven they cannot protect the origin of ideas. They are too slow, too biased, and too easily manipulated. But AI can provide objective, global, and transparent verification. AI-IJP represents a necessary evolution, a step toward a future where intellectual justice is not just an ideal, but a reality. A future where every innovator gets the credit they deserve. This is the future of knowledge, a future where our greatest tool, artificial intelligence, becomes the greatest guardian of our most valuable asset, our ideas. Thanks so much for watching. What do you think about using AI to protect intellectual property? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video thought-provoking, please give it a like and subscribe for more content on how technology is shaping our world. See you in the next one.